Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to use a tape measure, while also providing some expert insights that will give you the confidence to measure for any project around the house. First, grab your tape measure and extend it by pulling on the hook. You'll notice the tape is marked with lines of varying lengths at different increments of measurement. Look for the longest marks on the tape. These represent whole inches. Between every inch mark, you will see shorter lines. The shorter the line, the smaller the increment of measurement. From longest to shortest, these smaller lines show half inches, quarter inches, eighth inches, and 1/16 of an inch. To read a measurement, simply extend your tape measure across the span of what you want to measure. Make sure the beginning of the tape measure lines up with the start of your measurement. Once the tape measure is extended to the full length of your measurement, take note of the inch mark and the increment closest to the next full inch mark. As you can see here, our measurement passes the 5-inch mark, but does not reach 6 inches. The end of our measurement falls on a 1/8 of an inch mark, and it is the 7th one counting up from the 5-inch mark. So, the final measurement is 5 7/8 inches. Similarly, our measurement here passes the 6-inch mark, but does not reach 7 inches. The measurement lines up with the first 1/16 of an inch mark, making the final measurement 6 1/16 inches. Here are a few additional pointers to keep in mind. Don't worry if the metal hook at the end of the tape is loose. It's designed that way. It goes in if you push it against something and comes out if hooked, like on a piece of wood. The movement accounts for the hook's 1/16 inch thickness. Additionally, the hole in the hook isn't for decoration. It's designed to hook onto screws and nails. Lastly, you'll notice a thumb lock on the front of the tape measure. Use it to keep the tape from retracting when you need to set it down or take multiple measurements. Just be careful when releasing the lock. Don't let the tape snap back too fast or you might damage it. There you have it. I hope these tips help you become a tape measure pro in no time. If you have any questions about using a tape measure that is not addressed in this video, call our customer care center 1-888-483-3768. If you need parts for your Larson products, please visit parts.larsondoors.com or call our customer care center.